Dengue fever is a mosquito-borne viral infection caused by the dengue virus, transmitted to humans through the bites of infected female mosquitoes, primarily Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. The disease is prevalent in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Symptoms of dengue fever typically appear 4 to 10 days after being bitten by an infected mosquito and may include 1. Severe headaches. 2. Pain behind the eyes. 3. Joint and muscle pain. 4. Nausea and vomiting. Skin rash, which may appear after a few days of fever. Mild bleeding, such as nosebleeds or gum bleeding. In some cases, dengue fever can progress to a more severe form known as dengue hemorrhagic fever or dengue shock syndrome, which can be life-threatening. Severe dengue symptoms may include severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, bleeding from the nose or gums, and difficulty breathing. This is the first part of the video, and the other part will be uploaded very soon, in which I will explain how to prevent from dengue fever and keep your family fit and healthy. Stay connected with us for more health issue-related videos and their preventions to control these kind of situation. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, The Health Matters Hub, please make sure to subscribe and share with your loving ones these kind of informational videos.